hey, Sherri. What you doing?
Hey, Serena. I was just about to read this new book that I got. It's called Your Mind is Like the Sky. It's a first book of mindfulness. Would you like to hear it?
Ooh. Yeah, of course I would.
Awesome. So it's by Browen Ballard and Laura Carlin. Your Mind is Like the Sky by Browen Ballard and Laura Carlin. Your mind is like the sky. Sometimes it's clear and blue. Sometimes it's fizzy and stormy and black and crackly. Often it's just a bit gray. Your thoughts are like the clouds. Nice, white, fluffy cloud thoughts like, look what I can do. Or, I love to ride my bike. Or, that was a good day. And darker, meaner rain cloud thoughts like, I'm not good at this. Or, I'll never get this right. Or even, I'm useless. Thoughts come and go for all of us all the time. Half the time they've been and gone before you've even really noticed. The trouble with rain cloud thoughts is that they're dark and a bit mysterious. They can make everything else seem dark too. Without you even noticing, they could make you feel angry or jumpy or sad and confused. So, what do we do about rain clouds? You could go exploring. Some people go right inside their rain cloud thoughts and rummage around. They think if they can get to the bottom of their rain cloud thought, they can figure out how to get rid of it. The problem is when you're inside a rain cloud, the cloud looks really, really big, and it's hard to see anything else. You could try fighting, but as you'll know if you've ever fought a rain cloud, all that happens is you get a little bit wet. You could pretend the rain cloud isn't even there. You could skip about and laugh and tell everyone how happy you are. Sometimes this works and the rain cloud floats off. But if it's a big, dark rain cloud thought, it's best probably to put on your rain boots. Or you could try this clever trick. When a rain cloud thought comes into your head, you say, oh, it's a rain cloud thought. And then you notice all of the white fluffy cloud thoughts as well. You notice the blueness of the sky and the tweeting of the birds. You remember that the rain cloud thought is just one thought among hundreds and thousands of your thoughts. And you can just let the rain cloud thought float gently away. The trick is to see the whole sky. It can take a bit of practice to look inside your head. But if you just stop every now and then, you'll begin to notice that there are big shouting thoughts and little whispering ones, fast racing thoughts and gentle creeping ones, and that you can choose which thoughts you pay attention to. Your mind is like the sky. It's full of thoughts and different shapes and sizes and colors. It's full of amazing things. I think that's the end. The end. What'd you think of that, Serena?
I thought it was wonderful.
What part did you like best?
I like the part where you talked about when you're in a rain cloud, it's hard to see other things outside of it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like that part too, and the part where it leads into is to remember to look at the whole sky, right? That's just one thought, and that as people, we each get to choose which thoughts we give attention to, right? When you give them attention, sometimes they grow, right? And so if we give attention to positive thoughts, then that's an awesome way to have a bluer sky in our mind.
Mm-hmm, definitely. Well,
Awesome.
Thank you for sharing that, Sherri.
Thanks for coming along. I'm glad that you were here.